Hello and welcome. So I'm at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. I've got here to show you a first Knaus vehicle. It's going to be shown this year. First Knaus vehicle after their press conference in which they admitted to fraud and theft from the previous management. More about that later, but for the moment this is the Knaus Boxlife 630 ME Platinum selection. This vehicle claims to be new. It certainly does look new though inside. So it's a 636 centimeter long vehicle. It's got a high roof, and I can't give you a price because there isn't one written here. I can make a guess, but actually I don't even want to. So the high roof, what you do see, of course, is that you've got lots of space. If you're tall, then this might actually suit you. Now, normally in the usual size Fiat Ducato campervan, you've got approximately 190 centimeters of clearance. As I come into here, you'll see that there's a lot more, and I'm going to demonstrate how much more. There's me. Okay, there's my hand up, and see lots and lots of clearance, and I think I can see all the good points. I can see the bad points too. The bad points, it's more the heat, of course. It's going to burn more fuel. For every I think it's 7 centimeters that you go up, you look at an extra 1 litre per 100 kilometers burning fuel, highly approximately. But on the other time, it, on the hand, gives you more storage space, and it gives you the feeling of space. It's great when you've got a bed up here, for example, at the front, and that obviously it's more space for you. But anyway, let's go to the back. Note here that this appears to have only one mattress. It doesn't though. It's a mattress topper, and if that comes with the van, then that could be a good thing. I often find that I sort of end up falling between the two mattresses. Well, that's me. I mean, I don't know anybody else does. Excuse me. Comes with this Dometic aircon unit up there, and here, of course, lots of storage in there. Windows at either side, windows in the back door. Pretty certain the back doors aren't going to be insulated, because I haven't seen Knaus do that yet in a camper van. We have got, obviously, step up here, and through here there will be something which is the under part of the bed, but we'll have a look at from the back doors. This piece here should come out if you want to sort of store longer things. At least I think it does. I hope it does. In here we've got the shower, and like the way the floor is, actually it probably looks a bit more bumpy. It certainly does look a bit more bumpy on the screen. It's not really all that bumpy, but it'll be bumpy enough to possibly get rid of some of the water, and give you a nice sort of massage and stop you slipping down on your feet. I like that. Wouldn't mind one of them myself. Two drainage points, which is great, but they're the wrong size, which isn't. Toilet there. I quite like this washroom, and this here will move out. No, sorry, it won't, because that's there. It will now though, and that gives you your shower and your toilet. I still can't see the point of these things, so other than to stop your mirror getting wet. All the same, I'd have preferred that on the other side of this, for those of us who don't want to move this thing around. I'll put this back on if I can. No, I can't. Oh, see, look, I've broken it. I'll have to buy it now anyway. It doesn't matter, sort that one out later. It's a place up here to keep your bathroom stuff, and it's elasticated, or whatever the word is, like that, so it should, you hope, stop things falling out. Or this thing here though isn't very deep at all. Mirror there, which is nice, so while you're in the toilet you can keep an eye on what's going on outside. here we have the sink. This thing here comes out. This is supposed to. Anyway, I'm not going to break it. Sensible sliding door, and also comes with push here. It says so. We'll push it there, and what happens? You get something like that, which probably isn't much use when you're in the shower and all wet. Oh, if you've got two hands, maybe it will. Who knows? Anyway, right. On the whole, though, I've got to say I quite like that washroom, and I think it's a good size as well, and there really is plenty of head height in it. Right, this is the kitchen. So this is the same old camper vans, right? So you get a sink with a serviette in it, and two burners. Very nice. This completely and absolutely pointless. And this is because the people who build these things and make them and design them don't use them. If they did, they'd know that that is completely and utterly pointless. But what they could have done is something like the elasticated system or something like that to stop things falling out. You put anything there, as soon as the vehicle moves, it's going to fall out. Here's the fridge. That bit's for the freezer, and that's what the rest of it looks like. Bit of storage above, there's a bit of storage below, and there we go. There's the drawer. Here's another drawer. It's got a hole in the side. That's great for when you know things can fall down here like that when the vehicle moves, then you can't find them. So you get hours of fun looking for things you thought you'd bought. Very nice indirect lighting in here. Right, table will extend a little bit. A reasonable size, I think, given the size of the vehicle. What's that? You know, this is what I say about, you know, no experience of building, using the thing. Sorry, building maybe. Right, what's going to happen? Anybody sitting here, right? And so you leave something there, bang, could fall on top of them. And mind you, yesterday I saw a vehicle where it was like that above the driver's seat. I mean, surely that's common sense that things are going to fall out. Oh, they've got something in here. I wonder what that is. I don't know. Yeah. Thought it was a thermos flask. Who knows what it could be? Might be a pipe bomb. They knew I was coming in here today. Right, not very nice indirect lighting. I bet there's an option to put a window there as well. And up here, oops. Yeah, I like that. I like that because I try to actually create a bit of space for storage where otherwise it wouldn't be. That for me is quite nice. There isn't one on the other side, and okay, fair enough. It is the driver's seat after all. Up here, now you see this is these elastic system. Now that should hold things in place. They're very, very strong, and so otherwise I'd say this was, you know, waste of time. But with this, great. Okay, that'll hold it. And some more daft things here, can't we? Well, maybe whatever you put in there, stay in there. I need to point out that this glass really is very strong, because I had a situation where something actually did fall out in my vehicle, and it was a glass candle on these scented things. It was a big thing, some big chunky thing as well, got from Tesco's, and it didn't even make a mark on the glass. Really, really good. Very, very impressive. Okay, that's from Can. Mine was from Smeb, if I remember rightly. Good. Actually, I've got to say, I do like the aesthetics of this camper van. So that put everything in its place. Right, you've got the carpet down here. That's to protect the floor. Somebody wrote in one video, that carpet's not there to protect the floor at the show. It is there to it's an extra, and it costs, well, not in this case, but it costs 1,100 euros. It doesn't cost 1,000. I don't know what it costs in this case. It is here to protect the floor, stop people coming in with stilettos or something. Right, we'll have a look at the back here, and if it's open, that is, because I didn't check. Actually, talk on the subject of checking. So before I came in, I had to find the light switch, and it literally 2 or 3 minutes to turn the lights on because I couldn't find them. I mean, I suppose if you bought the thing, you'd actually know. Now, isn't this good? This is a huge amount of storage space in here. As always, you can get the beds to go up. You've got straps there to hold the beds up. And so really, if you're thinking of carrying anything around with you, this would, you could turn it into a delivery van when you're not camping, for example. We can have a look in here if I can get this thing here open. I can't. Never mind. Oh, what's it? Electricity there, solar. Why would you want to turn your solar off? Maybe there's a reason. And here as well there's the gas there. So that's the gas is for cooking. What does that tell us? It tells us that either it's not heated or it's diesel heating. So I'm going to opt for the second option. Is this? Well, I got that bit right. It's not insulated. You can open the windows in the doors. Sometimes in some brands the windows are easily forced, but that okay, I could force it, but it's a little bit better than many brands are. Okay, right. Let's have a look at this then. So what can we say about it? Good points, lots of space in it. Nice layout if you like the layout like that. So I mean, obviously that's a matter of choice. Bad points. Well, the first is a Knaus. I'm not even going to try and give a price. But in this condition, no, I will do. It's just under 6 figures. That's what I'm going to guess. Just under from the layout of it. They've got the aircon and other things. Anyway, approximately. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.